In this video, we are just going to see day 3 learning about HTML documents. In my desktop, I have created the tracker for day 1 onwards. So we have discussed something about HTML in day 1 like this. Okay, about HTML and history of that everything, and attach that particular YouTube video which I have posted here in my blog here. You can watch this. And day 2, we talked about various tags like this HTML tag, head tag, meta tag, title tag, body tag, all these things. And the particular YouTube video which I have posted has been embedded into my blog post here. And my blog post is coming under my blog, DPAB Hosur, what you are seeing here now. So this is the blog name, Learn HTML in 90 Days through blog of DPAB Hosur. Okay. So my YouTube channel name is DPAB Hosur. That's why I create my uh, blog post, blog page, everything with respect to the DPAB Hosur, which is my YouTube channel name. Now, today we are going to learn day 3, something more interestingly. Okay. I'll go to this Google and go to this google.com and then click on this. You will be getting, when you sign into Google browser, you will be getting these 9 dots showing the Google apps. We have got this My Account, Google Drive, Business, Gmail, many things. YouTube is also up from this Google. Gemini is the AI tool app from Google. Many things are there. Okay, Map is there, Google Meet is there, Google Sheets are there. And straight away come down here, click on this Blogger where you are building your web page through the support of this Google. Okay, so under this blogger, I have created many blogs like this. Okay, Google Blogger is the application where I can create n number of blogs. So this is my blog name, HTML, Learn HTML in 90 Days through blog of DPAB Hosur. And there is another blog, DPAB Hosur Excel. This is for posting something related to Excel. And Mathematics of 8th and 9th grade by blog of DPAB is another third blog. There is many blogs which I have created there. If I want to create a new blog, I have to create it like this. Okay. So straight away we'll go to this Learn HTML in 90 Days through blog of DPAB Hosur. I click on this. Now it is selected there. By default, it is coming to this post area here, right? And we have to create a new post like this. But I wanted to create the pages so that that will be static forever. And that pages can be connected through any of the posts. Okay. Now, I would like to create a new page here. Click on the new page. Then in the title, I will give here a draft. Draft day 3. Day 3 of Learn HTML. Okay. I'll just simply put it. And now just see here, this particular button, when you click on this drop down, you are having this HTML view is available right now. Okay. There is one more view is also there, compose view. Click on this compose view. Okay. Now I will create one image in Word file. Okay. In Word file, I'm creating one image. So new Word, I'm opening there and click on this insert, click on this shape and select this rounded rectangle here. Okay. Something we can just create it as day 3. Okay, and simply I make one image. Day 3, image 1. Okay, so snip this as an image. Go to this blog area. So we are, remember this, we are in the compose view. Okay, not in the HTML coding view. And wherever by default my cursor is available on the top left corner, I am just keeping it and pressing Control V, and now the image will be pasted there. Okay, so we have not written any code there. So we are going to learn this action of inserting any image in my blog page, how it is affecting the HTML code. That's what we are going to see here. Okay. So we have not saved it. Before that, I'll just go there before saving HTML view. If I click this, yes, there are many codes created by the computer now. So what are these codes? Click on this format HTML button here. There are many buttons here right side of this HTML view. This is undo, and this is redo, and this is find, and this is replace, and this is format HTML. Many things are there. I will explain to you later. Format HTML, click on this, and it has created some page, and then the closing page, the tag. Okay. In between, nothing is there. And then it has created a new tag called div tag. What is this called? Division container. Okay. And it has created some a tag. This is called anchor tag. So anchor tag, it starts from here and completes from up to this place. Are you able to see the closing tag of A? And division container, that particular tag is starting from here, but it is having some inline style. It's not only div, it is having something related to that. Okay, here many things are there. Closing tag is there, and it is getting closed here in this particular place. Are you able to see this? Just a minute. So here we are seeing this division tag, and then it is ending it here. Okay. And this is a new tag which we are learning today. And this is the A tag. A tag means anchoring the tag. Okay. In between something beautifully, you can just see here, image tag. It starts from here. Okay. And it ends without closing that. I will just break it and tell you how it is. I will create some blank space here. So here you are seeing that paragraph tag starting and closing. And as I told you, the division tag is being closed here. So I will differentiate that and then tell you now division is starting from this particular area, and then same way vertically I'm coming down, we can just see here. Okay. Now A is slightly offset, at least about some 2-3 columns. Okay. Same way if I come down here, we are seeing that closing A is available here. I will just break it here and then show it here differently, so that it is easy for us to understand that. Okay. And what about this image? It is just starting from here. I'll make a break here and then move it here. Okay. So image tag starts here, whereas image is not ending here. It is ending here in this place by closing this tag by created by the system. Okay. It's not created by me. It is created by the system. So what I wanted to say here is the division container has inside anchor tag also there, image tag is also there. Whereas the anchor tag contains one image tag inside this. And within that image tag, we are having many details called as this is attribute. ALT means attribute number 1. Data original height is attribute number 2. Data original width is attribute number 3. Height is attribute number 4. So image tag, this is starting with this less than symbol and then IMG, that letter is there. After that, the inline style, this is called as inline style. We call it as CSS, cascading styling sheets. Okay, that is also a language which is useful and used inside HTML language only. So in that styling, image should look like with what are the parameters? Alternative text, anything is required within the blank, we can write it. But here nothing is there. So alternative text is not applied here. Okay. Then the data original height, the image height is 96 points. The data original width, image height is, width is 270 points. Okay, then image height is 114 points. So these are the 4 attributes available after this image tag. Whereas the fourth one, this is not the fourth one, this is the first one, this is the second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one is SRC attribute. What is the source of that image? It is coming from this URL. Okay, there is the address. It is created by the system. Whatever we have created, the image copy from a Word file and then pasted here. And it has created a URL by the Google automatically. Okay. So that image, you are able to see that it is BMOW, ending with BMOW. Okay, BMOW. And in the anchor also, you just see here, after A tag, it is having this attribute H reference. Okay, H reference means it is hyperlink reference. We create the hyperlinks in the Excel, many things, no, many places, where it is creating a clickable link. That clickable link you are just seeing here, it is BMOW. Start with HTTPS blogger.googleusercontent.com. This is the one. So the same thing is appearing here. Google user content.com. After that, IMG is there here. Here also IMG is there. Here is A, then capital A, capital V, small v, and X. Same thing is available. So ditto everything is up to that BMOW. Are you able to see that? BMOW. After that, we are getting here as width equal to 320. One more attribute is added in the image area. So image area is starting with this less than symbol and it is being closed here. You will not find in between any other that greater than symbol here. So it is starting with the less than symbol, then img tag, and many attributes are there, and their values are there. Okay. So how many attributes are there here? ALT is attribute number 1. Data original height is attribute number 2. Data original width is attribute number 3. Height is attribute number 4. SRC is attribute number 5, and its value is the link, entire link. And width is the attribute number 6. There are 6 attributes inside this inline style, that is called as inline style. Okay, it's not the style is not given somewhere else. It is given inside the tag itself. Okay, so you just see here. Here, is there any style is given for the paragraph? Nothing is given. No style. Okay, so here inline style is nothing. But here division is having some inline style. Are you able to see that? So division is starting with this less than symbol here, and then greater than symbol is there. So normally we can write the division symbol, division tag like this also. I will write it here, div. Okay. So this is the starting tag of the particular division container, and this is the closing tag. Okay. Now in this area, are you seeing any inline CSS style? Nothing is there. Whereas here you can just see that it is having some inline style. Some style is applied there. Okay. It says that attribute 1 is class. For that, what is the value? It is separator. Okay. Creating a separate uh, space for the particular image or whatever content is. When you go in advanced level, you will understand this. Now it is having the attribute number 2, style. Style has to be applied by giving the value for this parameter 1, which is clear, and parameter 2 is text align. So clear for the parameter number 1. What is the value of this? Both. Both means it will clear the floating values, whether it is left or right. Both. It will clear that floating. Okay. Floating means I will explain later in detail. Simply understand that now here. This is a parameter value for the parameter named as clear. And second parameter named as text align. Second parameter of the attribute style. So attribute style has how many parameters? 2 parameters. So the second parameter is text align. What is the value for that? It is center align. Okay. It's not right align. It is not left align. It is only center align. So division tag is having inline style. CSS, cascading styling sheet. Okay. So simply you just understand this is something called as we are creating some styles for our font, whether it is blue color style or red color font or any green color font. What is the size of the font? So many things you can just give that in the style. So CSS is also a part of HTML. Okay. So now these two things which is created here, I will delete it here. Right. So this div tag is closed in this place. So this div tag contains everything, and inside you have a tag is there. Okay, which is starting from here in this row, line number 12 and ending at 29. So that is called anchoring. Anchoring of the entire content here. Okay. So what is that anchoring? What is that image? Everything I will explain here. So now this is the image, particular image available, and that particular image is having the URL. That image only is pasted here, and that anchoring means it is a clickable link. When you just go there, you will be getting a link there. I'll just publish it now, confirm. And now it is turned into a blog page indicator here now. Click on this link, share, copy this link, go to this Microsoft Edge browser, another browser, or your Safari browser if you are using iPad or Mac computer, and come and put it here, this place, address bar of that browser, press it, then you will be seeing my blog name is available. Okay, I have created many blogs that learn HTML in 90 days through blog of DPAB host. So it is a blog name. Okay, it's not a title of my blog post or blog page. It's not the title of blog post. It is not the title of blog page. It is the title of my blog itself. Okay, and this is the title of my blog page. I can create hundreds of pages under this blog, and this is one such page. Now in this page, this is the title, draft day 3 of learn HTML. And you are seeing that day 3 images, now it is available here. And we are seeing this symbol, it is clickable link, okay? So pressing this. So this is created by the anchor symbol. Okay, now this symbol, how to remove this? Because I'm not getting anything, I'm just getting only link. I don't want my user to get cheated by something is pressing, the symbol is coming, but nothing, no output is coming. How to avoid that? Okay, we'll just go to this place, open that blog page code area, and now write a command line and distribute, separate it out. Okay, or you can just remove this A tag here, and I'll paste it in the Word file for future reference. Because when I remove that, what is happening? When I paste it, what is happening? I wanted to see this. So A tag, I have removed it, but closing tag now, it is says that, okay, there is some error. Syntax is there because you are closing at A tag, anchor tag, without any initialization. That A tag is not initialized. That part you have removed it. Just remove this. That's all. Now it is becoming that all red color area, everything is gone. Okay. So if I paste it here, then you are seeing that A is also having anchor tag closing area is also having red color. That is syntax error. And respective division is also having, because the division is starting from here. Okay, I will remove some spaces here to make the view clear. And division tag is starting from here and closing here. In between, there is some error. That is why division closing tag on line number 21, you are getting this red color letter of division. Some syntax error is there. So where is the syntax error? You can find out. It is available in 20 also. So you will be able to understand by seeing this. Okay, this is the closing tag of A, anchor tag, whereas the opening tag for the anchor is removed, which is not available. So I will remove the closing tag also. It is not applicable here now. Okay, now only the image tag is available. Image tag is self-closing. We don't have to close it by putting img/img like this. So how to close it? You will be thinking that why we are not putting this img. So this is not accepted because this is not valid. Image need not be closed like, because of that only it is appearing here as red color. Same way the division is also being closed. There is some inside this division area, something is syntax error is there. What is the syntax error? It is displayed. IMG should not be closed. It is self-closing. Like meta tag is self-closing. IMG is also self-closing. Okay. So now I will just update here. Go to this Microsoft Edge area. And now you have to refresh it because the code is updated in the blog coding area, whereas now we have to refresh it. When you refresh it there, same image only coming here, but now the clickable hand symbol is now gone. Clickable link is gone now because that is controlled by the anchor tag, which we have removed it. Now what we do, we have just pasted it here now. Just copy that, come and put it below the division area. Okay, it is inside the division. And then now it is showing that error. Division is having the error. Division is starting from here. I'll remove something, some pages so that it is visible there. Okay. Okay. Now the division container tag is starting there and closing it here. Whereas now the end tag shows there is a syntax error. Where is the syntax error? Because the A tag, now it is started from here to here. Okay. A tag is having two attributes. One is H reference. What is the value? It is a link, entire link. And style is, there are two parameters. One is margin left. What is the value of that? 1 EM. I will tell you what is 1 EM later on. It is like a point. How much margin should be given in the left? And margin right. How much margin should be given in the right side of the image or picture? It is also 1 EM. Okay. So it is equally given. Left side 1 EM margin and right side 1 EM margin. So that has to be given. So A tag is having inline CSS style. Okay, inline CSS style means when we are having this A, we have not closed the A like this. So if I create it A, how will we closing this? After the writing something, we will be closing like this. Okay, A. Then only it is valid. Something you have to write it in between that. But now in this A, it is less than symbol starting with that, and inside this A is available letter, and then closing symbol is also available, which is the greater than symbol. But now you see here, less than symbol started, EA is available. After that, closing symbol is, greater than symbol is not immediately it is following. But there are some attributes and values, parameters also given. After that, only it is getting close. So this particular style is called inline CSS. Here, there is no inline CSS in this area, row number 9. Whereas row number 14 to row number 17, it is entirely called as starting A tag, which is having inline CSS style. Most importantly, you should understand inline CSS style. Inline CSS style like this. Okay. CSS means I will just put some paragraph also here. Okay. So that you will be able to understand. So this paragraph itself, I will use it here. Okay. I will type it here. Inline CSS style. Okay. CSS means what? CSS stands for cascading styling sheets. Okay. So now this A tag we have created now, but still the error is not gone there in the division closing area. So what we have to do, closing the A tag should be done at this place, which we have seen originally. Now that error is gone. Okay. So now before updating that, I'm not pressing this update button now. The code is only modified here by adding this A tag here and closing A tag here. And in between the A tag, we have the image already available. Okay. Now I'm not pressing the update here. And I'll just refresh this Microsoft browser here. Now you are seeing this, the image when I'm hovering over that image, I'm not seeing any clickable link or the hand symbol there. Now I'll go to this place where the coding area is done and then click on the update here. And now come back here again, refresh this Edge, Microsoft Edge browser and come back here to the clickable area. Because of that anchor area, anchor tag is now activated. With that, the code is HTML code area is updated. Now you are able to see that clickable link here. So I will just add the title here also. One more paragraph here. Okay. Anchor tag. Anchor tag creates clickable link. Okay. So this paragraph, I'll close it by this. Then image tag. Image tag. Again, I have to write the because whenever we use that less than symbol, greater than symbol, that will be considered as the code there. So we should be very, very careful. This is image tag, IMG tag. Creates or embeds the original image itself. Original image as it is. So this is the way we should not close that image tag. That is also there, but this is a paragraph tag. That's why you are closing that. Okay. Right. Right. So what we are doing here is we have just created one image from the Word file, just pasted that, and we have got the code, whatever is created by this computer itself, and we have tried to understand what is the division tag with the inline division tag, without inline tag. I explained that. And within that a division container where it is starting and ending here, we can attach this. We have got this anchor tag. Within the anchor tag, we are getting that particular image. Means this is creating an entire clickable link. Inside that, the original picture is also pasted, image tag. That is how we are getting this image. And with clickable, without clickable, when you control that area of where the anchor tags are created. Just remove the anchor tag, the clickable link will go away. Okay, now the anchor tag is available here. So I will update it here. I will refresh it here. And we are seeing the content, whatever we created, the paragraph, inline CSS. It is there. Okay, this is for you to learn. Inline CSS stands for cascading styling sheets. Anchor tag creates clickable link. Image tag embeds the original image in it. And image tag self-close. That also we can add it. I will go and add it here, the paragraph. img tag self-closes. Okay. If you try to close img tag, you will get a red alert, red text, red text or red alert in HTML coding area. Okay. Update this. And now update that so that you will get the text whatever you pasted there. Okay. Are you able to see this now? Image tag embeds the original image as it is. Image tag self-closes. If you try to close image tag, you will get red text or red alert in HTML coding area. And now that this particular area, when you are coming here, you are seeing this clickable link there. When you click this, that particular image, what is available inside the anchor tag will be open. What is that image available inside the anchor tag? We are anchoring this area from here to here, starting with the A tag, with the inline CSS style here. A tag with inline CSS style having the attributes as H reference, hyperlink reference. What is that? It is having a link. Style is margin left 1 em, margin right 1 em. And inside the anchor tag, we have inserted the image tag. Okay. Image, what is the actual image is available. It is coming here. So thank you very much for watching this day 3 of Learn HTML in my this series of video on Learn HTML in 90 days. Okay. In 90 days. So when you see this video, if you like my video, please do press the subscribe button, then press the like button. Also, write some comment about my videos also. Thank you very much, friends. Take care. Bye.